Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to reveal you one myth about easy making money methods on YouTube. Point is, you need to understand when you mention Google or YouTube as part of Google, easy money method on YouTube simply does not exist. And I will explain you exactly what I mean. You see many videos on subject how you can make money on YouTube without having or producing own videos. And I need to warn you that one kind of story about that method is correct, but many of them are not true. And let me show you one example. For example, I will put in search term relaxing sound of water. And that's most common term what you can recently see on YouTube. And I will go even more, that I will filter results by view count. Why? Because I want to show you that, you see, there are videos with 89 million of views, 87 million of views. So if CPM is, for example, just $1, that means that this guy earned $89,000 per this video. This one $87,000 per this video. But when you open this video, what you will get here? You will get advertising, but you need to be aware that this advertising is not necessarily related with this video. And I will explain you what I mean. You see, you have some clip of some water in background here and 4.5 hours of nothing, of some relaxing sounds. And you will see this and you will say, wow, man, this is perfect. Now it's my turn that I start to earn money on that. And somebody will tell you, go on some website, click here, you can download footage, you can download this, you can download that. But fact is, when you start to do something like that, and you have on your channel only something like that, let's, for example, we go on this video, on this channel, 3 to 1 relaxing mediation, relax clips. So what they have here, they have some different kind of mostly music, and I guarantee if they are not producers, there is no way they can monetize this. No way. And I will shortly explain you why. And music for sleep, relaxing, study and concentration, relaxing, 1 minute, 3 minutes, and nature sounds. Okay. And they have 950k subscribers. Why am I telling you this? Because you will see many guys will recommend you, if you want to earn quick and easy money on YouTube, you simply find some music somewhere, royalty free, copyright free. You find some footage related with water, with rain, with this, with that, and simply mix it in some content and put on your channel. And that's wrong. And I will explain you why it's wrong. First of all, it's 100% against terms of service of YouTube, because you are not producing video content. You just put done deal footage on some royalty-free music. So when you consider that from the side of a content creator, it's crap. It's not video content, and this what will happen to your channel. And that's not something what I'm speaking you without any cover. I'm speaking you this because I try something like that, and I build up YouTube channel until I reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of views, and I get monetization. And after I get monetization, I start to upload content of videos exactly like I describe you right now. So, relaxing sound of water, perfect music for studying, this, that, everything was copyright free, royalty free, free to use. And I mix it up with some video content of some water footage, of some rain footage, of some nature footage, and make my own video. And then suddenly, 1-2 weeks after that, I get this. Your channel is no longer liable to monetize. And the reason is reused content. So one more time, I didn't download and re-upload someone content. I download separate music, like copyright free, and I never get even copyright claim, not copyright strike. Everything was super clean. So, and I can show you. No, I cannot show you because I cannot monetize anymore and I don't have a copyright option here. So I never get even one copyright strike and I never get even one copyright claim. That's very important for YouTube that they see that you are a producer of your own content. What I did, I download copyright-free music. I didn't use it even fully, that their search engine cannot match my content fully with someone else. I just use some segments, 2-3 minutes, and mix with another segments of 2-3 minutes and put in one video, and like audio file, and I put some footage of some video, but not repeated video. I mix up many different kind of footages inside. And also that material what I used was 100% copyright free to use, and I mix up in several different video materials with different content, different kind of music, different kind of effects, different kind of footage, and I have around 50-70 different videos, and I start to get nice views, and I start to receive some income. For music videos, CPM is not high. It's around somewhere between $1 to $2.9 per mile. But anyway, I start to receive views. And after a while, I get this. My monetization it's done. I cannot monetize my channel anymore because it's reuse content. So beware. When we talk about YouTube, there is no easy way. Only easy way what you can do is when you mix someone footage, no matter which footage, and use your own commentary. That's totally different story. That means you give your own opinion on someone else's work, some event, some actual story, some news, whatever, but your opinion matters, and that means you are creator because you are creating your own opinion, showing something in background. But when you use done deal music, when you use pre-made stuff and mix them together, no matter they're free or not, it's reuse content because you don't use your brain, you use someone else's work, and you will use monetization on your channel just like this. So beware. If you want to earn money on YouTube without producing videos, you have this mouth, you have this camera, you have this microphone, and that's called commentary. And in background, put any kind of video you want and comment what you see. Ask others to share their opinion with you. That's something what you can do. You really can do that. But method to put pre-made sound on pre-made footage, mix together and produce like content to listen, it's reuse content, wasting of time. So guys, I hope this helped, and I hope you will choose smart way to earn easy money on YouTube because it's possible. Thank you.